Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about prime factors and prime factorization practice exercises. This is not a lecture video. If you don't know this lesson, then you can have the description box. Check it there because I'll be posting the lecture video on prime factors and prime factorization. Let us review first prime factorization. But before going deep into this, we have to know first prime factors and composite numbers. Every composite number can be factored into prime numbers, and to find such factors, we divide the numbers successively by prime numbers 2, 3, 5, and so on, and express it as a product of prime numbers. Are we all set? Okay. Now let us have the part A. In this part, you have to write the prime factorization of the following numbers in exponential notation. Let's have the first one, 35. Next, 90. Next one, 264. And the last one, 1910. Again, you have to write the prime factorization in exponential notation. Now, let us move to part B. In this part, you have to show your solution and encircle final answer. We have two questions and it is worth 5 points each. For question number 1, write the smallest 4-digit number and express it as a product of prime numbers. Again, write the smallest 4-digit number and express it as a product of prime numbers. Number 2. Write the largest 5-digit number and give its prime factorization. Again, write the largest 5-digit number and give its prime factorization. Thank you for answering. I'll be waiting for your answers in the comment section. Bye! Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!